Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to log into ChatGPT, your ultimate guide. So let's go to the browser first. Go to your Google Chrome and you have to write here log into ChatGPT directly. Log into ChatGPT. Then you'll find here the third option, this one, https openai.com. You have to click on this. Now you'll find here this login form. You have to click on login. Then you have to put here your email address and click on continue once, and you have to put here your password, then click on continue. You must have a account of this ChatGPT. If you don't have any account, I have already make a video how you can open ChatGPT account or how you can sign up ChatGPT account. You can check this one and then try login. Okay, so this is how you can log into ChatGPT. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.